What is up, you guys? I hope you're all having a wonderful day. In today's video, we're going to be playing with some new makeup. This is from, it's like Tarte's sister brand or whatever, the Sugar Rush company. I have the Sugar Rush Skin Treat Poreless Tinted Moisturizer, their new Star Chaser eyeshadow palette, as well as their Lash Smoothie. Now, I will admit, it does look like she's just wearing falsies, but we're going to see what it actually does do to our eyelashes. Before we get into testing these new products, if you guys are new here, my name is Jessie and I upload new makeup, beauty, and lifestyle videos 2 to 3 times a week, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Let's honestly start with the eyeshadow palette, because I usually always do my eyeshadows first. Now, I've had, I believe, one other eyeshadow palette from Sugar Rush, and it was their, like, I don't know, it reminds me of bees. I don't know, I like bees. This one is so cute. I normally don't like palettes that are all odd and, you know, like this, but this is actually super, super adorable. Like, it's cute. I really like that purple. That purple is stunning. So I'm wondering if they have it set so like that could be like a makeup look. That could be, you know what I mean? Or you could just play around. I want to swatch all the stars. They're a little bit awkward to get my finger in. Maybe I just have fat fingers. So they do have names as well, and I like that. Natural Star. Star Power. There's some old swatches from my, what was that from? Oh, my Elf Mint collection. You can check that out in the eye and down below. I think that's already up. So I accidentally rubbed my swatches that I already did, and all that purple came off. It's on my hand. But next we have Rising Star, and then Wishing Star. Really quick, I do want to swatch some of the mattes just because Tarte shadows honestly can sometimes be a hit or miss. That is a really dark green. It's called Constellation. Now do I have an eye primer readily? Nope, we're just gonna use concealer. And then I'm just gonna set that with one of these, I can open this, with, it's called Moonstone, this light cream color over there. So going in the little matte, I'm gonna put this in my crease and all over. Alright, and then going in, even though it's not, hopefully it's going to turn out the way I think it's going to turn out. We'll find out. But we're going to go in with that darker, like, rosy color, and hopefully make it just a little bit deeper of a crease. Oh, and this I did fail to mention. This is just a tapered blending brush that I'm using. I got it in one of my Ipsy bags. So I'm gonna go into that very shimmery like white, and that's gonna be our, and then that's gonna be our brow bone. And I'm just using just a fluffy brush. It's actually like a blending brush, but... And then taking a flat sheer brush. This is actually a Builder Pro from Sonia G. It's gonna be my first time using it. And I'm gonna go into that little star right there, and that's gonna be our center of our lid color. So I might have to go back in with my finger because that's not really what I was looking for. I think I'm gonna go into actually this one right here and see if that's more of like that color I wanted. I don't. This look, it's not my favorite. I'm gonna take this dark brown color and I'm gonna deepen up my crease just a little bit because all those colors just, they kind of just blended sort of together. I don't know. This might go badly though. I don't particularly like what I did. So I'm gonna try taking this topper. I can tell you my eyes are kind of heavy from the amount of shadow I am putting on. I'm gonna just leave it. The shadows are not, they're not horrible. How fitting, a Tarte brush, and I kicked my table that has my tripod. And then we picked up the shade Light. So we'll see. I don't know if I don't. Okay, it's not completely horrible. Like shade match, I mean. My elf one that I just did, oh man, that was comical. I either think I'm lighter than I really am or darker. I like you. I really like this. First impression, I don't know like if it's gonna actually start seeking into my fine lines or anything like that sort, but first impression, I enjoy this Skin Treat Sugar Rush Poreless Tinted Moisturizer. So I'm gonna really quickly do the rest of my face and then I will catch up with you guys to finish up our eyes and test out the mascara. So now let's finish up our eyes and then try out the mascara and then just give you my final thoughts. I'm gonna do it just kind of sort of simple. I'm gonna take this dark brown, do it in the outer corner, and then maybe this shade in like the inner corner. Well, I colored my contact with some glitter. That's lovely. So I ended up just taking this shade on like the lower like full lash line, and then I'm gonna take this like the white shiny color as like the inner corner. Now we get to try the mascara. It's the Sugar Rush Lash Smoothie. It says it is a volumizing hemp. Oh. Shows how much I read before I buy. Apparently it's a hemp mascara. I like that it's white. It has some nice like bristles on it. I don't know if the camera's gonna focus. There we go. Now let's see if they make me look like I have like the false lashes like she does. Obviously, with and without. I'm pleasantly surprised at, I mean, still looks like she has false lashes on, but I think it did do a decent job. I wonder if it is buildable. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below on this mascara. Like, I think my favorite product out of the 3 things that I did try would be this mascara. I highly recommend picking up this mascara. I mean, it did phenomenal for me anyways. I can't speak on the smudginess or the flakiness because I literally just put it on. I like it. So anyway, whoa, Jessie. The eyeshadow palette, it's okay. Do I recommend you just go run out and just go order it? Or, yeah, I don't recommend going into a store. But anyways, I don't really recommend going just to run out and pick up this palette. The mint or the e.l.f. eyeshadows, that you could get, you know, those like little quads or whatever. Honestly, I prefer that over this. These were kind of a little bit of a letdown in my opinion. The foundation, the tinted moisturizer, I did really enjoy this. I think I chose a decent shade match, and it covered up what it's supposed to. You know, I mean, it is a tinted moisturizer, so I think it actually covered up more than your normal tinted moisturizers that usually do. What? You know what I mean. So yeah, I guess out of the 3, I would recommend these 2 and skip on the eyeshadow palette because the eyeshadow palette was not my favorite. But let me know, actually, yeah, let me know down in the comments below. Did you even know that Tarte came out with this eyeshadow palette? Because I didn't before I went on their website. Or actually either of these, to be honest, I didn't even really know. Anyway, I'm going to wrap this video up. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. Do you plan on picking any of these up after seeing this video? I need to get better at this. Let me know your guys' thoughts and opinions down below. Do you plan on picking up any of these items that I reviewed today? Let me know. Like I said, I'm going to wrap this video up. That's definitely going to be it because I'm now into a rambly stage. I hope you guys did enjoy. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking this link right here if you haven't already. If you would like to binge watch some more content and hang out a little bit longer, go ahead and click one of these links right here. I love you guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!